Hello, all of you. I wrote a simple program to print numbers from 1 to 10, but something very strange happened here. Let me just run this and see here what is happening. The output is 1, 2, 3, 4. But why this is output? Where is 5? Actually, where are 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 numbers? Did Java suddenly forget how to count numbers? Or is there any other issue? Yes, one single word stop everything from printing Java, the rest of numbers from 5 to 10. So let's become Java detectives. And I am going to remove just one line, and that is nothing but this break keyword. And I am going to save this code, and we'll simply rerun this code. And now you can see here the difference. What is our output now? We are getting numbers from 1 to 10 in simple way. So there it is. Same program, same loop, but by just removing one word, single word, and the output completely getting changed. So what exactly does this break keyword do? Let me allow just to type it again here, break keyword, and let's think like Java. I is 1. Okay, print it. When I becomes 2, again, okay, print this. When I becomes 3, it is also okay, print it. When I becomes 4, it is also okay, print this onto console. But the moment when I becomes 5, Java reaches the word break because we have specified one condition in this if loop. If I is double equal to 5, break. It simply means Java instantly says, I am done, game is over, and I just have to end this loop immediately at this point of time. It doesn't print 5, and also it doesn't print even look at 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10. It doesn't move forward from 5. So that is the use of break keyword. Imagine you are searching for your friend in a shopping mall and you check one floor, then another floor, and then suddenly you find your friend. Do you keep searching the entire mall if you find him already? Obviously no. You stop there immediately. That's exactly what break does. Okay, you understand this break keyword. Let me just write here the use of break. Okay, but tell me one thing. What if I don't want to stop? What if I only want to ignore one single number and continue with the rest of these numbers? Can Java do that? Answer is yes, Java can do this also. So for that purpose, I just need to change this code 5. Whenever I becomes 3, I just want to continue. Okay. And I'm not going to run this now. You guys have to tell me. Just guess the output and tell me one thing in the comment section. Will the loop stop or will something else happen in this code? Okay, let's just see here what will our this code will do. Okay, so you can see here the output is 1, 2, 4, and 5. It is very interesting. The loop never stops from execution. Java simply skip one number and that is nothing but 3. And then from 3 onwards, it continued normally. So we have written here, whenever I becomes 3, continue. And the word continue means skip the rest of the loop body when I is 3. So let's just skip one number and move ahead with another numbers till this condition is satisfying. So think about your school attendance system. The teacher is calling roll numbers one by one, and let's assume that roll number 12 is absent. Does the teacher end the attendance for entire class? Obviously, no. She skips 12 number and continues with everyone else numbers. That's exactly what continue keyword does. So one stops the journey and one skips the stop. That's the easiest way to remember. Break means stop everything, and continue means skip this one, keep going ahead. All right. Now, I want all of you to solve this challenge for me. So, wait a minute. Okay. So, let me just write here 2. If it becomes 2, I just want to continue. If I becomes 3, or let's suppose 5, I just want to break the loop. And in other cases, I just want to print the entire else other values. Okay. So let me just clear this console. I am not helping this time for all of you. Write your answer in the comment section. If you got all the correct answers, you are thinking like a programmer, not just memorizing Java. So I am telling you what should be the output for this code. See here, we have output as 1, 3, and 4. So this is the correct output for this question. Okay. So today you learn two tiny and main Java keywords that control entire loops. But here is a bigger problem. Imagine storing the marks of 100 students. Will you create 100 variables for each of those? Of course not. That's where arrays completely change the way we write Java programs. And that's exactly what we are building in the next video. If this video made one concept click for you, hit like, subscribe to CodePaath, and comment Loop Master below. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep coding. Thank you all of you.